Hi there, Sunday morning. What time is it?
Don't know. Almost noon, maybe.
Sunday morning by 8 minutes. Got my Treadle scroll saw kind of looped up because it's been sitting a whole long time, I've been told. And I think it's gonna, I have not tried this yet. It was original belt too. And I'm gonna try to cut something. I'm gonna cut my own whooping stick. Careful.
What does it say?
Whooping stick.
Shh, don't ruin it. I might need it later.
True. Okay.
Do some whooping.
Put my eyes on it. The stick is it's too short, so I'm gonna cut it. Oh, I feel that power too. I've taught more, but I gotta. It's kind of fun, actually. Put a metal blade on it. Well, I mean, it's a metal blade, but a metal cutting blade on it. It makes me smile.
Smile. Yeah, you cut your fingers off. Actually works.
Isn't that something?
That's cool.
Thank you.
Huh.
Your turn.
Something you had to have.
Your turn.
I'm not going to do it. I got stuff to do. It's very cute.
So
They make a really cool table base.
we'll finish loading the van for Ellensburg this coming weekend.
Yep. Junk ticket in the bird.
I'm going to cut out some stuff out of wood because metal's being overdone now.
Yeah, but you do it so well.
Thank you.
All right, I got to finish doing all my
We should
stuff.
have a whoopee stick.
A whoopee stick?
Yeah.
This is a cute little project Joe put together.
Oh, that's really
I love that. Anyways, I got a bunch of stuff. We got to pack the van up. We're heading to Ellensburg for Junk Teakin' in the Berg. So, if you guys are in the area, come see us. It's on Saturday. Anything else to say, Joe?
I'm gonna leather the belt. I'm gonna clean the belt.
All right.
Some other stuff.
All right.
Gotta preserve the old stuff.
Okay. We'll see you later.
Alligator.